This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to sort your films by rating on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page at letterboxd.com. So first thing we need to do, I'm right here on desktop. The same principle applies. We're on your cell phone, mobile, or the app, or wherever you are. So we highlight over our username here and picture. So I'm highlighting that, and we click on profile. So on desktop we click on profile. You will just need to click your profile if you're on the mobile app. So I'm on my profile right here. You'll see your own profile here, and then on this menu we're just going to click on films. Simple as that. We've got all of the films that we've watched are on screen here. Obviously yours is going to look different to mine right here. So to sort by rating, very simple. We just highlight rating, and we come over here and we can literally click on any of these. So if you want to look at all of your 3-star films, we can click right there. If you're looking for 5-star films, 4-star films, you can do all of the halves in between as well, of course. So if I was looking for 5-star films, I've only rated 41 films 5 stars, which is vaguely surprising. I don't tend to rate films with 5 stars, you can see, because I've got thousands of films on here. But I also don't rate films that low either. I'm kind of in that. I do have a lot of films that are kind of in the 7 range, the sort of 3.5 range. If we look there, we can highlight the 3.5, and you see I've got 1,851 films there. Yours, of course, will be different to mine. One more, if you wanted to do 4-star, you can highlight all of those. And of course, you can look through these as well. So that was a really short, straightforward video on how to sort your films by rating on Letterboxd. Of course, Letterboxd is so easy to use, such a brilliant platform. And yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.